Sorry, I'm a bit dead tired right now, but I try to tell a little bit about our service called the Pilot. This is my first pitch in English, so I'm a bit terrified, scared, but I will do my best. Okay, I come from a company called Poikkeama, which is a company of 19 people. We are young, talented, and quite wild entrepreneurs. Usually, we find a problem that when we go to the new customer that doesn't know us, he wants to do some kind of pilot project with us. And usually it's a small project and it just takes our time and our customer's time. But we would rather do something big at the beginning and show our competence. For that solution, we have created Pilot. What is a Pilot? Pilot is a service that we give a 6-person team for 12 hours for company. And company gives us a challenge that we solve in 12 hours. What kind of challenges we have had? We have had to make ideas and concepts about what will the future library look like. We have had recruitment in a short and long time scale. How to build a brand in 2-year time scale that will affect how employees are going to find the company, and also challenge how to commit current employees to the company. But the challenge can be anything. Throw the challenge at us and we will answer. The pricing goes like this. If the customer is really satisfied and he gives us a 5 as a degree, he will pay us 3,000 euros. This means that he's overwhelmed by our competence. We have surprised him positively. If it goes well, he thinks it goes good, then it's a 2,000. Okay, 1,000 euros. Well, we got some solutions. It's 500 euros. But if we fail, we do miserably, and we just take the customer's time and don't give anything to the customer, then we will pay our customer 500 euros for wasting his or her time. So far, we have done quite well. We have got 5, 4, and 4. So I think that we have made it up poorly. Jack Bauer, he saves the world in 24 hours. Poikkeama does it in 12. Thank you.